A and B are integers. A to the A plus B to the B equal to 31. So when we see this problem, because it says they are integers, and we don't like to work with negative numbers. So at first, we should pay attention and we should analyze. Can A and B be negative? So let's see. Because look, for example, if you have negative 2 to the power of negative 2, it will be negative will be cancelled because the power is even 2 to the power of negative 2. It will be 1 over 4. And we have fraction. And here we have 31. So we should analyze. And one other thing, can we find one A and B that satisfy? It's easy to find. Try to check small numbers. 1, 2, 3. So 1 to the 1 is what? Is 1. 2 to the 2 is what? 4. 3 to the 3 is what? 27. So we will see 4 plus 27 is 31. So one answer, A and B, B 2, 3. By symmetry, you can also say 3, 2. So we found one answer. Now, let's analyze that can they be negative numbers? So we consider first case, if both of A and B are negative numbers. So A and B are negative integers. Now, because they are negative integers, I can say when A is negative integer, A to the power of A is a fraction, negative or positive of fraction, like this. Only if we have negative 1 to the power of negative 1 is negative 1. But after that, for example, negative 3, the power of negative 3 will be negative 1 over 27. So we can say A to the A is less than or equal, some of them positive, some of them negative. You can say it will be less than 1. You can't reach 1. Because if they are positive, for example, negative 2, negative 4, it will be 1 over a number. It will be less than 1. Also, B to the B will be less than 1. Some of them. A to the A plus B to the B will be less than 2. But this 31, so this case is impossible. Now, let's consider case 2. In case 2, I say one of them negative. So without loss of generality, suppose A is negative. Let me tell you something. A and B are not 0. Because 0 to the 0 is undefined. So, for example, A less than 0, B greater than 0. Okay, my previous part, we said A to the A is less than 1. So, we can use this. So, A to the A plus B to the B is less than A to the A less than 1 plus B to the B. And we know A to the A plus B to the B equal to 31. Also, if you consider negative numbers, it can be negative, negative 1 over 27. You can say A to the A is greater than equal negative 1. So let me write. Okay. This part greater than equal negative. So we can also say, I think if you write greater than what, we can say 1 to the B to the B. Okay. I think it's better to work on this part, that A to the A is greater than negative 1 to solve. This part is not so much useful. Greater. A to the A negative 1 plus B to the B. Now, if we add 1 to both sides, 32 will be greater than equal B to the B. So, B we know is positive and positive integer. B1, you can check. You can check B2. You can check B3. And 4 will be greater than this. Now also we check less than 1. So A to the A plus B to the B will be less than 1 plus B to the B equal to 31. So if we subtract by 1, B to the B greater than 30. So we call this one star, we call this one double star. B to the B should be greater than 30, less than 32. So B to the B here is 1, 2 to the 2, 4, 3 to the 3, 27, 4 to the 4 will be larger than 32. So none of them works. So it's good. We got rid of both of them negative, one of them negative. Now we can focus on the case that both of them are positive, A and B. Okay, so let's write the case number 3. Both A and B are positive integers. So let's write A to the A plus B to the B equal to 31. So because they are integers, they can be 1 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 3 to the 3, 4 to the 4. After 4 to the 4, they're a large number. Why? Because it is 1. 2 to the 2, 4, 27. 4 to the 4 is 2 to the 8, which is 2, 5, 6. So because all of them are positive, we don't use after this part. So we will only use these parts. So the only case to reach 31, sum of two of them should be 31, only 4 and 27. So our only answers are 2, 3, and 3, 2, and we proved. Let me write another homework for you. Solve this problem that A to the A is B to the B, and we know A and B are integers equal to 49, 7, 8, 1. Solution is exactly the same. It's not so much hard. And comment your answers right below this video. If you want to learn important ideas, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the comments and also description. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye bye.